Now let us take a look on the improved build time. Before Angular 16, Webpack get used to make nearly everything that is related with the build app, which means it provided the bundling for the live server for the development and also for the production builds. It have a few functionalities and you extended it often to get some stuff built correctly. But I think most of the developers not really worked that much with Webpack because it's the built-in technology that they using in Angular before 17. Now they have changed to two newer technologies that get now used for Angular to improve the development in different aspects. So let us start with Vite. Vite represents the development server and it allows some features like smart replacement of modules while you're in development that helps to stay with the same data as you had before your last testing. If you have this application served and have changed some data, it allows that the application not has to be completely reloaded to update some changes you are making. The second point, it's even faster and more reactive for the development environment because of that functionalities and because the build time is even faster. It also helps with that. And as I said, it's faster than before and it helps with lower latency by that. Then the ESBuild. It handles the build of the development and production and builds the application itself. That's like the part that Webpack mostly have done. And because it's ESBuild, it makes ECMAScript bundles or modules. It is optimized for speed and it's also faster than Webpack. So let us quickly compare both technologies, or like the old way Angular handled it and the new one. We will take a look at 3 different timings as how fast they are. We start with the incremental rebuild. That's if you're changing something at the application, how fast it reacts. Here it is partly halved of the time that it now needs. At the ng-serve, it's about a fifth of the time that now is needed. And for the ng-build, we reached about a tenth of it. And that's really impressive how much faster that two technologies together are working now. About the statistics, with the change from Webpack to Vite and ESBuild, we have a 67% faster build time and a 87% faster hybrid rendering. That's the part for server-side rendering. And that's really impressive how much faster now the build will be and how much it increase or decrease the build time for the production applications.